Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your national bank account online. First of all, in order to log into your national bank online banking account, launch open a web browser on your device. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box and type in nbc.ca and search. From the home page of National Bank of Canada, look for the lock icon in red at the top right corner and then select whether you are trying to log into your personal or business account. On the next page, get ready to enter your login information. In the text box where it says email ID, you'll need to type down your email ID associated with your online banking account, and where it says password, write down your correct passwords. After writing down your correct email and password associated with your online banking account, you can tap the sign in button to log into your account. If you don't remember the password, you can tap on Forgotten Password link and follow through the password reset process. After you have your credentials correct, you can log in and check your account balance, transfer funds, pay your bills, and manage investments and much more. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.